you how to make any executable script as a command. So like if I do ls, so I'm gonna get these outputs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write I'm gonna create a file table, and I'm gonna put this code in it. So this, when you run this code, it's gonna print table. So if I let, let's make it executable, chmod plus x table. Then if I run table, then if I give any number, so it's gonna print that table. So for instance, if I do 9, so but I'd like to run, but when you run this dot slash table, so you must be in the same directory where that file locates. So but if you don't want to do that, so if you want to execute the table from anywhere in your system, so what you can do, if I run it as a table command, so it says take command add from, what you can do, just move this file to slash bin directory. So if I move this table to slash bin directory, okay, let's just use sudo command, sudo. Okay, now if I run table, now it's gonna work. Of course it's expecting an argument, so let's do that. Table 10, it prints out. Even I can move to any directory. If I move to web app as well, it's gonna work. Table 3. So this way you can make any script as a command. Thank you for watching.